The average new SUV in America costs $47,000. At today's interest rates, that's roughly $850 to $1,000 a month for a vehicle that will lose 40% of its value in 5 years and come packed with turbocharged engines, cylinder, deactivation systems, and infotainment software that mechanics are already complaining about. Meanwhile, there are 10 SUVs sitting on used lots and private driveways right now, most of them ignored, most of them underpriced, that were built before all that complexity arrived. SUVs with naturally aspirated engines that have been proven across millions of vehicles. Platforms that owners have documented running past 250,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles. Today we're ranking all 10 of them, from least known to the single best value you can find in the used SUV market right now. Every pick comes with a specific year range, the exact engine code to look for, the real annual ownership cost, and the honest caveats you need to know before you buy. Let's get into it. Number 10, 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey. Yes, it's a minivan, and if that bothers you, that's your problem, not the data. The 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey with the J35A7 or J35Z6 3.5-liter V6 is one of the most mechanically proven platforms Honda has ever built. RepairPal gives it a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5.0. Annual repair cost is around $547. Owner reports of 200,000 to 250,000 miles with basic maintenance are common. The J35 V6 is the same engine family used across the Pilot, Accord, and Ridgeline. No turbo. No unnecessary complexity, just a naturally aspirated V6 built to survive heavy use. You can buy one for $6,000 to $10,000. It seats 8, it tows 3,500 pounds, and it will outlast most modern SUVs that cost 10 times more. Stay in the 2005 and newer range. Earlier models had transmission issues. Number 9, 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander, with a 2GR-F 3.5-liter V6, is one of the most underpriced 3-row SUVs in the market. This engine was used across multiple Toyota and Lexus models. It's proven, widely produced, and regularly documented past 200,000 miles, with many reaching 250,000 or more. RepairPal rates it 4.0 out of 5.0, ranking it first in its segment. Annual cost is about $489. You can find one between $8,000 and $14,000. The best models are 2011 to 2013. Fully refined, no early production issues. Number 8, 2010 to 2015 Lexus RX 350. Same 2GR-F engine. Different experience. The RX takes that proven drivetrain and wraps it in a quieter, more refined, better built package. RepairPal gives it a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating. Annual cost is about $550. Real world longevity sits between 250,000 and 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Target 2013 to 2015 models. Avoid early years if possible. Watch for timing cover leaks and water pump where past 100,000 miles. Manageable fixes, not deal breakers. Number 7, 2007 to 2011 Honda Kia-V. The K24Z1 engine in this generation is one of the most proven 4 cylinders ever built. RepairPal gives the Kia-V a 4.5 out of 5.0 reliability rating. Annual cost is just $407. Owners regularly report 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Prices range from $5,500 to $9,500. At that level, depreciation is already gone. Every mile is value. Number 6, 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. The FB25 engine fixed the major issues of Subaru's earlier engines. Naturally aspirated, more efficient, more reliable in long-term ownership data, standard all-wheel drive on every trim. Costs are slightly higher than CR-V but still below average. Stick to the naturally aspirated version. Avoid the turbo. Number 5, 2010 to 2017 Toyota 4Runner. The 1GR FE 4.0-liter V6 is one of Toyota's most durable engines. Documented cases exist of 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles. RepairPal gives it a 4.0 rating. Annual cost is about $514. 10-year maintenance cost is among the lowest in its class. Check for frame rust in cold regions. Otherwise, extremely durable. Number 4. 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot. The J35 V6 combined with a proven 5-speed transmission makes this one of the most reliable 3-row SUVs. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 rating. Annual cost is about $542. Simple drivetrain, widely available parts, easy to maintain. Avoid earlier cosmetic heavy issues. Focus on mechanical condition. Number 3. 2013 to 2018 Toyota RAV4. The 2ARFE 2.5-liter engine defines long-term reliability. No turbo, no direct injection problems, no unnecessary complexity. Expected lifespan, 250 to 300,000 miles. Annual cost is around $429. Extremely low probability of major repairs in the first 10 years. Number 2. 2006 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner. This generation offers both the 1GR FE V6 and the 2UZ FE V8. The V8 is the same engine used in the Land Cruiser. Massively overbuilt, designed for durability over efficiency. Real-world examples show 300 to 500,000 miles. Prices range from $10,000 to $16,000. Target 2006 to 2009 for best refinement. Number 1. 2006 to 2018 Toyota RAV4. This is the unkillable SUV. 75% of all RAV4s sold in the last 20 years are still on the road today. That is not marketing, that is ownership data. The 2AZ FE and 2AR FE engines are simple, naturally aspirated, and widely proven. Expected lifespan, 250 to 300,000 miles. Annual cost, about $429. You can buy one for $8,000 to $17,000 and realistically drive it for 15 to 20 years. The only caveat, early 2AZ engines had some oil consumption issues. Check before buying. Everything else is exactly what long-term ownership should look like. Here's the full list. Number 10, Honda Odyssey. Number 9, Toyota Highlander. Number 8, Lexus RX 350. Number 7, Honda Key RV. Number 6, Subaru Forester. Number 5, Toyota 4Runner. Number 4, Honda Pilot. Number 3, Toyota RAV4. Number 2, Toyota 4Runner. Number 1, Toyota RAV4. Here's the pattern. Every vehicle on this list was built before complexity became a selling point. No unnecessary systems, no over-engineered components, no fragile dependencies, just proven engines and simple drivetrains designed to last. The people who understand this are driving paid-off SUVs with 200,000 miles. The people who don't are making $1,000 payments on vehicles that won't last half as long. The math is not complicated. The right vehicle already exists. See you in the next one.